We love working in Woodbury. We have a lot of projects that we've done recently in there. There's been some stucco replacement issues in Woodbury that we've had to get in and tear out the stucco and do some window damage replacement, replace some sheathing. But we offer our full line of services in Woodbury: siding, windows, and roofing. When you first reach out to us, we set up an appointment for one of our sales representatives to come out and do a consultation. And at that first appointment, that's basically where we gather the information that we need to provide an estimate. We talk to you about some design features that you might be interested in, do a full inspection of your property, and then we'll come back for the second appointment that's where we present the proposal, review the design options and the pricing, and see if that's something that you want to move forward with. Once a contract is signed, it heads over to our production department, and that's where we really start getting into the nuts and bolts of your project, ordering materials, making sure that we have a crew lined up, doing those kinds of things. And so once the project is about a week and a half to 2 weeks before we start, our project manager will meet with you and do a full walk around, point out different things that are going to impact the project, things that we'd ask you to do, like trim back bushes, take down things off of interior walls. There's a few things that we ask the homeowners to do to make the project go smoothly as well. And then we get into the hard construction. So that's dumpster in your driveway, guys taking siding off and pulling windows out. That typically lasts 3 to 4 weeks of hard construction. After that, the project manager, once the hard construction is done, the project manager will meet with you, and he's involved during the whole project, stopping out to make sure that the guys are, have the things they need to complete the project, that there's no worries from your end. Once the siding crew leaves and the dumpster is gone, then we'll do a thorough inspection of the project. The project manager will meet again with you just to see if there's any small details that you would like to taken care of. We call that our punch list process. And then typically if there's any painting or stonework or some other trades that need to be involved, it would be at that point. And then everything's all punched out, and then we would meet with you again just to make sure everything's good to go before collecting that final check and issuing all your warranty paperwork. The consequences of not hiring a professional can be not only an economic impact, but on your stress level. There's a lot of things that can go on during a project, and James Hardie siding is a very specific type of siding that you need experience with, and that's where Craftsman's Choice differs from a lot of companies. We've been working with this product since the year 2000, so we have the most experience of any contractor here in the Twin Cities, and so we know exactly how that product needs to be installed so that you're not left in a situation where you have improperly installed product that doesn't have a full warranty from the manufacturer.